Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox Grid. Today we are going to look at how to connect Apple Pencil with an Apple iPad. To get started, we have an Apple iPad and an Apple Pencil. This is a Gen 2 pencil and the connection procedure for this one and the Gen 1 pencil remains the same. So to get started, of course unlock the iPad and go to settings or search for settings icon. Now under the settings, you need to find out Bluetooth option and make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. Once it is turned on, you just need to pick up the Apple Pencil and put it on the charging port which is at the top, and the pencil should automatically be detected and get connected. As you can see, the very first entry is connected and it's called Apple Pencil. So now to test whether the Apple Pencil works or not, let's open an app. You can test it in any app or you can even test it on the screen. And as you can see, the Apple Pencil has started working already. So that's it guys, this is how easy it is to connect Apple Pencil with Apple iPad. Thank you for watching.